What's up, YouTube? Are you sick and tired of spending money every single month in order to pay for places like Zoom or Gotowebinar or things like that? If so, stay with me. I got something super special for you in my review of Meetvio. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am actually one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. Basically, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
All right, seriously, this is good stuff. So stop it. Really, stop it. Anyway, the way things work, if I like the product, give it to the product creator. If I don't, well, I look next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. Now you see Liz is a sweetheart. She says the same thing every single time. You'd think I would get tired of it, but I don't, because she's such a sweetheart. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, go and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. And thankfully, subscribe. Please let me much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we are on the sales page for Meetvio.
It's a goddamn meat market.
Nothing to do with buying meat, you silly. Anyway, it's not a meat market either. Yeah. But seriously, Meetvio is a really cool product. Basically, what it does is you can see some of the numbers this guy has done. Obviously, you're not going to do this right away, but you definitely can make a serious amount of money by running webinars. It's one of the most profitable ways of making money online, actually, because you actually sell higher ticket offers, which you simply can't do when you're just doing a review video like this one or emails or whatever. Meetvio actually is supposed to be $97. They do have a discount offer as I'm speaking, which brings down to just $79. So really, and this is a lifetime offer. It's a really no-brainer thing to get it for $79. Basically what it does is I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute. I do want to show you my bonuses though, because I have one of the coolest bonuses I've ever done. So first of all, this is six-figure coach. Now this is my own high-ticket offer. I was offering this for $247. And basically this is me showing you everything I've learned about making serious money online. Now you can see there's already 3 classes that have been uploaded here. There's a ton of content here that you can use as well. So there's all kinds of videos here that you're going to get access to. The only thing you're not going to get access to is this particular page here, how to contact Eric, and that's because that's basically the personalized stuff where I'm offering for people who spend the $247, they get a personalized video sales letter. They also have me reviewing their sales pages, things of that nature. So, I'm not going to give you access to those things because it wouldn't be fair to people who did spend the full amount, but you're going to get access to all the training inside the members area. The 4th class is going to be recorded very shortly. I just uploaded class number 3, you can see over here. And these are no pitch classes. These are just me offering you a lot of useful information. You can see the webinar replays here. And you can't get this anywhere else. It's not even for sale right now because it is a closed offer. If you were to visit the main page, you would see this right here. You'll see that it says we're closed and offering you to sign up to get notified when we reopen. It's going to open again sometime in February. It'll probably be more expensive at that point. But if you pick up Meetvio from me, you can get this. Or if you already have my 6-figure coach class, or if for whatever reason you don't want my 6-figure coach class, you can also get my Boost opt-in software over here. Okay, now this is $97 software. It won deal of the day from Warrior Plus. Basically, it allows you to go from open rates like this, 1.96%, all the way to open rates like this, 23% open rates. Okay, the big difference is going to be the quality of the email that they're going to be getting is huge when you switch over to Boost Opt-in, and it's really designed to really get you the best emails possible in order to really build a serious business online. So you can see over here everything that it does, and you're going to get this for free. You get either or if you pick up Meetvio plus a bonus, you get both of them for free. So let's go ahead and take a look quickly at Meetvio over here. So this is the main members area for Meetvio. What you can do is you can create a webinar. I think the maximum is like 100 people. You can have a meeting where the difference between a meeting and a webinar is basically that people don't get to speak, whereas with a meeting, other people can speak. So you can have these things as you like. I've scheduled webinars here in the past. I tested it. And it's very, very easy to do, and it'll keep the recordings in the cloud for you. So everything is included, and it's super easy to use. Basically, if you want to create a recording, just click Create a Recording. Well, obviously, I can't do that right now because, well, I'm recording this video. I don't want it to stop, so I'm not going to do that. If you want to have a new meeting or a new webinar, you can actually schedule a webinar. You can also have what's called an auto webinar, where basically it'll play back a recording at a later date for you. So you can choose what to do, and you can basically, it'll pretend to be a live recording. And everything is included, and it's a one-time fee of $79. So very, very good stuff. Let's see if I'm going to give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat said.
The gentleman said, a huge tip of my hat to you. This is by the same creators of Meetvio, which is basically ClickFunnels designed by marketers for marketers, as opposed to ClickFunnels, which is more of like a marketing gimmick. But it's by a team that knows what they're doing. They put together quality stuff. They put together high-end stuff, and really, really good and very, very impressive. So go ahead and grab this. Get it during the early bird if you can, because it's really, really a good offer.